Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 and today I'm going to show you how to turn on this smartband. So let's get started. To turn on our smartband we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the smartband is done booting up, which will take a few seconds. And here we have it, now we're in the system, and that's how you turn on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.